Rebuilding strength and independence. 4 foods to combat. Age-related muscle loss. For millions of older adults, the first sign of losing independence isn't a dramatic event, but a subtle change. It might be the new slowness in your walk across a room, a slight tremor in your legs on the stairs, or the need to grab a railing not from fatigue, but from a feeling of weakness. This experience is incredibly common and often linked to a condition called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. It can happen quietly over time, significantly increasing the risk of falls. In the U.S. alone, an older adult is hospitalized from a fall every 11 seconds, often due to diminished muscle strength. The good news is that losing strength is not an inevitable part of aging. It is a condition that can be managed and even reversed with the right nutrition. By incorporating specific science-backed foods into your diet, you can rebuild muscle, improve balance, and restore confidence in your movements. Here are 4 powerful foods that can help you regain strength, starting today. 1. Chickpeas, the pantry staple for muscle rebuilding. Often overlooked, the humble chickpea, or garbanzo bean, is a powerhouse for muscle health, especially for adults over 50. Why they work. As we age, our bodies require more protein to regenerate muscle tissue. Chickpeas are packed with plant-based protein, as well as magnesium, iron, and vitamin B6. These nutrients are critical for muscle contraction, fighting leg fatigue, and ensuring clear communication between your brain and muscles. A 2019 study from the University of California, Davis, found that adults over 60 who ate chickpeas at least 3 times a week experienced 22% less muscle loss than those who didn't. How to use them. Toss them into a salad with olive oil and lemon, blend them into a protein-rich hummus, or add them to soups and stews. Pro tip. If using dried chickpeas, soak them overnight with a pinch of baking soda. This makes them easier to digest and helps your body absorb their iron more efficiently, which is key for combating leg fatigue and dizziness. 2. Pumpkin seeds, the snack for nerve health and cramp prevention. If chickpeas are the building blocks, pumpkin seeds are the control center that keeps your muscles and nerves working in sync. Why they work. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, a mineral essential for smooth muscle contraction and nerve signaling. A magnesium deficiency, common in seniors, can lead to restless legs, muscle twitching, and nighttime cramps. These seeds also provide zinc and antioxidants that reduce joint inflammation. A 2020 University of Michigan study showed that adults over 55 who ate 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds daily reported 31% fewer nighttime cramps and improved balance. How to use them. Sprinkle a small handful, about 30 grams, on oatmeal or yogurt. Add them to salads or enjoy them lightly roasted as an afternoon snack. Pro tip. Consuming them in the afternoon can give your body enough time to absorb the magnesium before bedtime, when cramps are most likely to occur. 3. Seaweed, the ocean's secret for smoother joints. That creaky, stiff feeling in your knees, hips, or back is a signal that your joints need better lubrication and support, and seaweed can provide it. Why they work. Certain types of seaweed, like wakame and kombu, are rich in calcium, iodine, and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds like fucoidan. These nutrients help strengthen bone density, reduce joint swelling, and support the production of synovial fluid, the natural lubricant your joints need to move smoothly. A 2021 study found that women over 60 who ate seaweed 2 to 3 times a week had 16% higher bone density and reported less joint pain. How to use them. Add seaweed to a warm miso soup, enjoy a light seaweed salad, or sprinkle nori flakes over rice or vegetable bowls. Pro tip. When making a seaweed-based soup, add fresh ginger and a drizzle of sesame oil to enhance flavor and boost calcium absorption. 4. Avocado, the smart fat for better balance and nerve function. A feeling of numbness in your feet or unsteadiness while walking can indicate that your nerves are not communicating effectively with your muscles. Avocado is an ideal food to help restore this connection. Why they work. Avocados are full of monounsaturated fats, which nourish the protective coating around nerve cells, much like insulation on a wire. This leads to stronger signals between the brain and legs, improving coordination and reaction time. They are also rich in potassium to help regulate muscle contractions and vitamin E to protect nerve cells from damage. A 2021 study from the National Institute on Aging showed that seniors who ate avocado 4 times a week demonstrated measurable improvements in balance. How to use them: spread smashed avocado on whole grain toast, add slices to a salad, or blend it into a creamy smoothie. Pro tip: for an extra boost, sprinkle crushed walnuts or ground flax seeds on your avocado. This adds omega-3s and more vitamin E, providing even greater protection for your nerves and joints. A foundation for lasting independence. You don't need a gym membership or expensive therapy to start rebuilding your strength. By consistently incorporating these 4 simple, affordable foods into your weekly routine, you give your body the tools it needs to maintain muscle, protect your joints, and support your nervous system. Every small, positive choice is a step toward a stronger, more independent future.